Mabait naman yung misis.
First owner ka, wala ka naman tatay.
Oh, yeah. Wawa, wawa.
Maintindihan niya yun. Ni Madam. Sige. Alam mo, sabihin mo yun sa loob ng
Wow. Okay pala to ah. No. Dami ano. Oh, what's that? What's that?
Pa-flying.
Sino yan? Sino yan? Sino yan? Ano to? What's it?
Ayan, makuha ka dali o. Sakay ka dito sa ano.
Giraffe. Ito.
Ayun, tabi ka kay ano.
Ito para horse to, pero may tawag dito. Zebra. Zebra. Yan, chicken na yan, chicken.
Hindi pa kita nakukuhanan eh. Maalis ka na agad.
O, sino yan?
Stay ka muna.
Sino yan?
Yan, sino yan?
Sino yan? Who's that?
Ha?
Ha? Sino yan?
Sino yan? Sino yan?
SpongeBob! Yan, sino yan?
Eto sino to?
Yan. Si Minion.
Meron din siya dito oh. Picnic grove.
I know the story of your life. Through winter storms and summer skies, there was a time when you were young and free. I know the story of your life. Through winter storms and summer
Ba't ang labo ng ano mo?
there was a time when you were young and free. So let's go back. Beaches where I always make you laugh. To the forest where we found that hidden path. To the summertime of 2005 when we were still alive. So let's go back.
Ay, tingnan mo, meron sila mga maliliit na ano rito.
Always make you laugh. To the forest where we found that hidden path. To the summertime of 2005 when we were still alive.
Oh.
When we were still alive.
Mga seed bearing, fruit bearing.
Time of 2005 when we were still alive.
Ano
When we were still alive.
Yun pala yung pinasukan natin. Pwede ka mag-picnic dito.
Where we found that hidden path. Time of 2005 when we were still alive. When we were still
Oh, pwede ka pala magpa-party dito, Mi.
story of your life. Through winter storms and summer skies, there was a time when you were young and free. I know the story of your life. Through winter storms and summer skies, there was a time when you were young and free. So let's go back. Beaches where I always make
Ay,
you
ano yan?
laugh.
Carabao.
Hidden path. To the summertime of 2005
Ayun no, tiger.
when we were still alive.
Lion.
Let's go back. Beaches where I always make you laugh. To the forest where we found a hidden path. To the summertime of 2005 when we were still alive. When we were still alive.
Oh,
Time of 2005 when we were still alive. When we were still alive.
Oh, yan mga lang. Easy ko yun.
picturean mo kami dito pa.
Video mo na?
When we were still alive.
Di, sama ka doon.
We were still alive.
Ito, dito sa kapila ko.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yes.
Inunod ko dito sa anya.
Dede,
Sa ano ba
kami naman.
Sa
Ah, kunin mo kami ito ganito.
Malay ba nila kung saan?
Nagsusi ka.
Mas, ingat.
Halika dito. Yan. Okay na yan.
Ano na nga yan? Negosyo.
Baka yung dalawa ni As. Akin yung cellphone. Dali kayong dalawa ni As.
Gago.
Tingin. Dito sa elephant. Dali, kayong dalawa. Iakyat mo siya dun sa taas. Yan. Hawakan mo, ano lang ako doon. Baka magkapa ka. Hawak ka. Ay! Mahuli ka ng pulis. Oo, tabi. May sasakyan. gawa ko eh. Ano gagawin? Yung sundo ko.
There's a cloud in this room and I can't cut the tension. Just be lost in the mouth and I think she's gonna ask me. We eat out now, we got it. Got it. If things are all set up, things are all set up.
Tatanong natin kung meron sila. Pabalik na.
Bakit mo ulit eh?
Ano?
Ayo. Ay, cellphone pala. Sorry. Ito pala, ito na pala. Pag na lang pala tayo, okay na.
Meron na daw, ano eh, nakakabila.
Yung mga bata ko.
Oo. Yung kasing size ko sa akin, 1.7.
Dapat dalawa pa kinuha mo para kasya tayo lahat. Pwede, pwede.
Dapat. Sumama yung third floor. Ingay natin. Bukas pa rin yung pintuan.
Nagawa lang tayo ng ano. Tayo taas may laman. Ano, maglita dyan.
Meron diyang ano, puzzle museum. Hindi ko pa napupunta.
Nakarating na kami.
Lalabas ka
Dito ba daan yun? Nakapunta na. Nakapunta na sila.
Lalabas ka na sarili mo. Pag hindi ka nakalabas. 3 oras tayo. Iwanan na natin. Look niya.